Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of a AMT Ertl 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 XL 125 scale kit. This kit number is 6467. And this kit here was released in 1994. Over here. Nothing. Oh, there's something on the bottom. A little bit of information there. Let's go ahead and get right into this one. Hope you're all having a great day today. Beautiful weather out where I am today. There we go. Alrighty. We'll get right into this one. Big old bag of molded in gray plastic parts here today. I have not seen anything inside of this kit since 1994. Isn't that something? Holy cow, that's 30 years ago already, guys. Man, that went by fast. Alright, first off we have a beautiful straight body. Very nice. Decent thickness. This one's got an opening trunk. That's great. Opening hood. A little bit of some scratches up there. We'll have to take care of that before we get down to painting it up real nice. Nice well-defined lines. Very cool. Alrighty. Next we have the chassis. Good thickness on there. Molded in the exhaust. That's interesting. Big old opening here where the gas tank will go. That's pretty neat. Here we have the hood, front seats, nice looking seats. This looks like it's going to have steerable front wheels, yep, coil springs, some miscellaneous suspension parts here. A couple of these little deals here, I'm not sure what those are. Underside of the hood, nice, looks like you can cut it out if you'd like. Interior bucket, pretty simple. Nothing molded in here. Light details. Clutch, brake, and gas pedal molded in. Okay. Alright, and here's the trunk lid. That's pretty cool. Nice detail back there. I like that. Excuse me. Firewall. Axle halves. Oh wow, look at this, guys. Old style bumper jack. That's pretty slick. It's molded in place so it doesn't adjust, but that's pretty slick. Some upper control arms, more coil springs, part of the front suspension, part of the front suspension, little pins for the wheels. Wow, this is neat. This is the trunk area. So the bottom half shows the gas tank and wheel tubs and that. And that's the part you'll see when you open the trunk. That's pretty slick. Here's the back seat. Radiator. Some little, here's a sway bar. A little steering part there. I don't know what these two little guys are. I think these are the hinges for the trunk. Yeah, that's what those are. Those are neat. Shock absorbers. And here's the engine. Let's see on the box here. It says it's a 427 engine. And she has distributor, fan belt and pulley system. That looks like a back of a alternator, timing chain cover and fuel pump, the heads, two different options for your intake manifold, dual carbs or a single carb, oil pan, the breathers things for your intake, the stock air cleaner, another oil pan. This is a deep pump sump. This is a standard one. Some stock exhaust manifolds. I don't know what this thing is here. This little deal here. Excuse me a second, guys. I gotta take a drink. Alright, got myself all choked up on this one. This is a nice one. Side exhaust. Another steering linkage parts. This looks like the hood latch. A little piece that'll cover up the front end there. Some exhaust pieces. Here we have a big old hood scoop. That's pretty slick, and it's cut out so you can see right through it. That's neat. Some steel wheels. Steering wheel is really nice looking. Two halves of looks like another fuel tank. Interior console. And here's the drive shaft. Here's the dashboard with the stock steering wheel. Dashboard's kind of simple looking. A little bit of flash in there, no biggie. And this piece fell off, battery, and then two wheel backs. Then we have the windshield in the rear window, and the little headlights. Well, that's it for molded and color parts. And we got a bunch of wheels here, or tires rather. Let me see what we got here. Oh, nice. Got a couple of rear drag slicks. Those are nice. They are Goodyears. On both sides they say Goodyear. That's nice. Pretty nice. And then 5 regular tires. This one here is completely, no, it's not completely bald, but it's definitely what we'll call suicide tires. Not much tread on those guys there. And they are Firestones. So 5 Firestone tires. I imagine the 5th one is to put a spare in the trunk because the trunk opens, so that'll be cool. And for chrome parts, not much for chrome parts. We got the whole front grille and bumper and everything. Pretty nice. A little bit of black wash on there. That'll help with that. We have 5 mag wheels and 4 standard hubcaps. Rear bumper. Air cleaner. That's the top of the console. Give it a nice look. Here's your valve covers. 7-bladed fan. Nope, sorry, 6-bladed fan. The rear tail light assemblies, bezels, and then the dual carbs here. I imagine you'd put one on or both, depending on which intake manifold you use. Okay, good deal. And we got the Ertl blue printer card there. And the decals, which thankfully weren't stuck to that like I thought they were. 2 options for stripes, red and white. And then 3 different license plates. This is Michigan, Massachusetts, and Florida. Nice change of pace there. Excuse me, nice change of pace there. We have the instructions with a beautiful write-up. Thought I heard something fall. With a beautiful write-up on the Galaxie. How it was used in NASCAR. How many units were produced. This is a nice little write-up on this vehicle. I like that. Basic tips on modeling. Engine assembly. 2 different options for your engine. Custom and stock version. Put your tires together. Stock and custom. Put your trunk interior in with a fuel tank. That's what that thing was there, the 2 halves. Okay. Your front suspension. Nice. Trailing arms. Okay. Couple different options for your steering wheel. Put your interior together. And get into the body stuff here. Nice. Yep. So 2 different sets of hinges. Slap it all together. Put your headlights on there. Those are custom optional right air intake hose and a left intake hose. Battery. Details on painting the tail lights. Very nice. And if you want to put side pipes on it. Very nice. That was a quick one, guys. Let's see how you like that one. That was a 65 Ford Galaxie 500 XL. Oh, here's I thought I heard something fall out. It was the one metal axle for the rear wheels. Well, that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed that one. Kind of a quick one, but I was excited to show this one to you. I dug this one out of the bottom of a box and I thought, well, you know what? This is a nice one to do for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And get your friends to subscribe. And I'm having a blast. I hope you are too. And we'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.